pagkaka-relieve niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan. Sabalit may kapangyarihan ng Pangulo na gawin yun dahil serving at the pleasure of the President ang sinumang PNP chief.
Palagay ko call ni DILG yun. Klaro naman na si John Vic, hindi na happy siguro doon, siya ang nasundan ng Pangulo. Naging PD ko siya, mahusay naman, oo, at tapat sa trabaho. Oo nga, ang tindi ng bata, congratulations, Kellyanne. Kilala ko siya nung bata pa siya at congratulations. Tatuwid, talaga naman, we need this new breed na kino-call out ng bribery. Tama lang. Kasuhan na niya at talagang porsigihin niya ng todo.
I don't know if he did it now without the clearance of Malacanang, then maybe meron siyang nasagasaan. Oo. Because as I have said during my time, nag-clear ako sa Malacanang na provinsan, mabilisan ng kailangan aksyonan kaagad. Nag-issue ako ng orders, then later on, I just inform Malacanang na ito yung ginawa ko. I said, expected na yan. Expected yan sa serbisyo. You can be relieved anytime. Habang functus officio. You are good while the need exists. But in this case, it's very unique because he still has more than 1 year to go before his mandatory retirement age of 56. So nasa kanya yan. If he doesn't give up his rank, his 4-star rank, ay pwedeng ang Chief PNP or yung magiging acting Chief PNP is will be holding a 3-star rank only. Because andyan pa yung hindi pa retired yung 4-star rank holder. Because according to the law, there should be only 1 4-star rank in the Philippine National Police and that is the Chief PNP. Ngayon na siya ang Chief PNP, siya binigyan ng 4-star rank, hindi pwedeng magkakaroon ng 2 4-star. So pa-retire muna siya bago ma-4-star yung i-appoint na bagong Chief PNP. He can be assigned with the office of the Chief PNP in a floating status. Yung floating status, parang for accounting purposes, dyan ka lang sa office of the Chief PNP kasi you are still receiving salaries and remuneration from the government. So kailangan ma-account ka and in order for you to be accounted for, you have to stay with the office of the Chief PNP. Mag-retire siya because kung pipilitin mo siyang mag-retire, that would be against the law. Kung siya voluntaryo na mag-retire because feeling niya, naawa siya kay General Nartates or whoever is the next or the incoming Chief PNP, maawa siya na hindi makuha yung 4-star, di na sa kanya na rin yan. Mag-retire siya voluntarily. Pero hanggat hindi siya mag-retire, na sa kanya ang 4-star rank, hindi talaga pwede magkakaroon ng 2 4-star sa PNP. As I have said, sanay na ang PNP na tumanggap sa mga orders gaming pa Malacanang. Hindi yan sila mag-demand ng explanation. The PNP just follow orders. Obey first before you complain. So hindi magko-complain, talagang susunod din dahil professional naman yan eh. Orders, legitimate orders naman yung nanggagaling sa Malacanang na palitan ang Chief PNP. So the PNP as an organization, sanay na yan mag-a-adapt at talagang susunod yan. Prerogative na yan ng Pangulo kung magbigay siya ng rason. Otherwise, pwede naman yan sabihin na that is regular rotation of officers. Be clear about it. Galit ako sa kanya, sa ginawa niya kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy at kay President Duterte. Pero ngayon naawa ako sa kanya dahil after nung ginawa niya lahat-lahat, binigyan siya ng posisyon, tapos sinibak lang rin siya. Galit ako na naawa ako sa kanya. Because I've been there. What if ako ang nandyan, nakaupo, at sinunod ko lahat ng orders ng nagbibigay ng orders sa akin. Lahat na ginawa ko. Kahit na yung bordering to illegal acts, unconstitutional acts, questionable acts. Ginawa ko na lahat-lahat. Pagkatapos, ngayon, tanggalin lang niyo ako ng unceremoniously. That's my opinion as a former Chief PNP. Ganun yung feeling ko. But then, it doesn't erase na talaga masama ang loob ko niya sa kanya, sa ginawa niya, panahon pa ni Pastor Kibuloy at panahon ni President Duterte yung ginawa niya. Masama ang loob ko sa kanya. But right now, naawa ako sa kinalalagyan niya. At hindi may balik si Pangulong Duterte, masama pa na ang loob ko. Kahit na may balik, dahil ginawa yun eh.
We're quite surprised about it. But at the end of the day, we respect the appointing authority, no? So it is what it is. Weird also na to realize na, di ba, 4-star relieve, tapos yung papalit 3-star. For me, that was kind of weird, but then after a while, I realized it's not the first time that it had happened, no? It happened before, so may precedent pa lang.